The DeLorean Alpha5, a boisterous, all-electric reinterpretation of a storied nameplate, is gradually making its way towards reality after decades of computer graphics and speculation. But while the Alpha5 promises groundbreaking electric performance and the peak of styling, the path to ownership is anything but routine. Featuring an ordering process founded on blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, the road to owning this next-gen ride entails more than just financial investment. It entails getting one's hands dirty with NFTs. The Alpha5, which is badged with the DeLorean brand name, has no direct connection to the original company that brought the stainless steel DMC-12 into mainstream consciousness in the 1980s. The DeLorean Motor Company of today is a spin-off from a Texas-based business that once serviced and repaired parts on vintage DeLoreans. Having no legacy of producing complete cars, the company's conversion to mass-scale EV manufacturing is a revolutionary change, of course. One that is met with healthy skepticism and novelty. Just 4,000 Alpha5s will be made, and getting a build slot has its own high-tech spin. Instead of a conventional reservation system, the firm has embraced blockchain and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Customers need to buy a $2,500 build slot NFT to reserve one of the limited production models. They are not bought through common payment methods. Instead, consumers must undergo a series of steps online, involving the activation of a slush wallet and the acceptance of currencies such as DMC or USDC, both built on the Sui blockchain. After purchase, the build slot NFT is then combined with a one-of-a-kind, randomly assigned build number. This number is, for all practical purposes, a placeholder for the finished vehicle, and the token itself can be resold on DeLorean's own site if the owner does not want it before delivery. To date, only 6 of these tokens have been redeemed, which suggests either market hesitation or a lack of mainstream interest in this unconventional model. What contributes to the confusion in the entire process is that there is no end production model. The Alpha5 is yet to be unveiled in its final guise, nor has solid information on pricing and official specs been made public. While initial prototypes appeared to suggest mind-boggling performance, twin electric motors, sub-3-second 0 to 60 miles per hour, and a 300-mile range target from a 100 kilowatt-hour battery, none of those specifics have been confirmed or finalized. This ambitious EV venture initially emerged 3 years ago in virtual form. It made waves at the time for its space-age appearance, gull-wing doors, and nostalgic nods to the past. The styling is a tribute to the heritage of the DMC-12, but enters into the realm of streamlined aerodynamic EVs. But in an industry where precision manufacturing and quality control are all, the lack of a physical prototype and established production timeline are red flags. The reservation model also introduces significant complexity and risk. Riding upon blockchain technology and NFT sales introduces barriers for newcomers in the crypto space. The average car shopper will be daunted by the requirement for a slush wallet setup, cryptocurrency procurement, and NFT management. In addition, with the volatility of cryptocurrencies and a relatively new blockchain at the forefront of this scheme, potential buyers are left to navigate a labyrinth that has speculative finance and auto desire intertwined. Above the electronic purchasing paradigm lies still another tier of problem: the company's production credibility. Lacking experience assembling finished cars, creating a high-performance electric car at volume is a massive technical and logistics challenge. From sourcing battery parts to meeting safety regulations and road testing, the process involves more than idea innovation and pretty sketches. However, the Alpha5 has raised sufficient interest among EV enthusiasts and collectors due to its bold exterior looks and retro charm. The designs show a Grand Tourer coupe with sweeping curves, minimalist interior, and innovative lighting design. Inside, the concept features minimalist dashboard layout, digital displays, and green materials, a tribute to the current eco-friendly. Without transparency on pricing and engineering specs, the Alpha5 remains more digital fantasy than driveway possibility. The application of NFTs to the pre-order process only complicates this math. Rather than making pre-orders more efficient and creating buzz, it may scare away volume buyers who are excited about the car, but ambivalent or wary of the blockchain world. Those who do make the jump at least have hope for resale, as long as there is enough demand in the virtual world to make secondary trades worthwhile. While only 6 of the NFTs have sold so far, the car's rarity and limited production run can drive interest down the road, if the company follows through and actually puts the car into production. But let reality intrude that buzz can only take a brand so far. To translate this buzz into credibility, DeLorean must act quickly to provide more hard information, unveil an operational prototype, and explain how it will get delivered. In today's EV market, nobody has time to wait and competition is brutal. Rivian, Tesla, and Lucid have already weathered the turmoil of startup production, and incumbent automakers are rapidly electrifying their lineups. DeLorean's approach, with its retro-themed branding and web-first reservations, is certainly novel, but noveldom in itself will not guarantee success. Ultimately, the Alpha5 is the promise and the potential pitfall of matching popular tech fads with vehicle design. The NFTs as a reservation system may be a draw for some group, those who understand crypto and enjoy the excitement of having it before everybody else, but could leave everyone else behind. Without substance to back it up, even the most innovative reservation system can't hold a candle to real-world performance and delivery. If the DeLorean Alpha5 ever gets built and it delivers even half of its initial hype, it may well turn out to be one of the most oddly unique entries in the emerging market of electric vehicles. It remains, for the moment, a dream that toes the thin line between computer simulation and automobile design. A car of tomorrow still searching for its niche in today.